Assignment 1, the question number is to question design a suitable digital marketing strategy to a small scale grocery store in your location planning to expand its business with specialty organic products. Digital marketing strategy. The digital marketing strategy based on the traditional marketing strategy, but the opportunities and the challenges offered by the digital medium or digital platform. Nowadays the digital marketing strategy is continuously iterating and evolving one. The digital marketing strategy is a user-centric thinking. It's giving more preference to the customized taste and preference. Next one, the digital marketing is helpful to gathering data about the consumer behavior and purchasing pattern of the consumer, everything. So the feedback and data gathering is important in the digital marketing platform. That type of data utilized for improving their online marketing effort. Next one is digital marketing strategies of today is offered not only a plethora of new tactical possibilities, but also unprecedented way of measuring the effectiveness of chosen strategies and tactics. New type of strategies continuously evolving in the digital marketing. It is not only offer the new type of strategies, and also what are the strategies utilized and helpful to measuring the effectiveness of the strategies. The digital platform also allows greater opportunities for interaction and consumer engagement. Normally we are taking the traditional marketing or offline marketing. Some of the time some marketing have one-way communication. There is no two-way communication, but the digital platform is offering the two-way communication to the consumer. So it is helpful to clearly know the expectation of the consumer and later that offer the customer-centric product and services. Next one, the fact that digital marketing is highly empirical is one of its key strengths. Yes, it is applicable tactics. Everything analyzed, later that only applied in their business, and also everything is measured. The behavior, action, paths, and result, everything is measured. Once identified the tactic, next the tactics is utilized in their business. Later that find out the result of the tactics. Through that result the effectiveness is analyzed. The effectiveness is in the achieved level means automatically it's accepted by the marketer. Otherwise the person again go to the new type of strategies. This means that the digital marketing strategy should start thinking with return on investment in mind. Each and every marketer or businessman main motive is profit maximization, how to increase the profit, how to double their investment. So the digital marketing strategy also giving more importance to the return on investment, how much we get back from their business itself. Built into any strategy should be testing framework and the ability to remain flexible and dynamic in a medium that shift and changes user behavior too. Normally the strategy is based on that user behavior. It should be in the flexible mode, at the time only easy for adapting the changes. Next, what are the way develop the strategies for their business? That is comes in the crafting a digital marketing strategy. Any activity with an end of goal. Normally we want to do anything, otherwise achieving the goal we make the blueprint. The same things done in the digital marketing also. So the strategy needs to cover some of the question: who are you, what are you offering, and to whom. what are the who are you, what normally the person known about themselves, and what are the product is ready to offer to others, who is your customer, what product offered by the manufacturer, everything known by the people. That is comes under the who you are, what you are offering, and to whom this comes under the who are the person is ready to purchasing our product, as well as why and how you are doing. These are the question thoroughly known by the person. These are the question is basic for developing the marketing strategy. The steps and questions below cover what an organization should be aware of when creating and implementing a strategy that will meet its marketing objectives and solve its challenges. So the company or the marketers before creating the strategy, the person known these are the question and ready to answer for this question. Automatically the person clearly known about their objectives and challenges. Next, first one, context. Some of the steps is have for doing this crafting strategy. First one is context. In that context, normally the pestle factors available. Pestle factors means comes in the political, economic, social, technology, legal and ethical factors. So these are the factors is directly and indirectly involved in the marketing strategies. So the person is examine the organizational related factors, that means inside and outside factors, and also various stakeholders. Apart from that, the person ready to answer some of the questions, that is comes on the who are you, what are the product produced, and to whom. These are the questions should be known by the marketer. At the time only the person is clearly frame their strategies. Next, value exchange. Value exchange is each and every market is ready to offer some of the commodity. What way the product or services differ from others, what way that product is fulfill the customer needs and customer, and what way it is unique from other commodity or other products or other services. That is explained by the marketer in the clear cut of view. Next, objective. Each and every person main motive is attaining the target, that means getting more profit, otherwise getting good return on investment, everything. That is comes on the main objective of the organization. Normally, what are the way frame the objective means the objective should be specific, and it should be measurable and attainable and realistic and time bound. At the time only the marketer easily achieve their objectives. Next, tactics. What are the tools and techniques used for attain the objectives? That is comes under the tactics. Next, key performance indicator. It is one of the factors in the objective. What are the specific matrix or pieces of data is helpful to determine their tactics. Normally, the opinion or reviews, feedback collected from the customer through the social media platform, based on the information the company identifying some of the need, based on the need framing the digital marketing strategy like that. So that is comes and the key performance indicators. Next, target. So what is the final end goal of the organization? The target is achieved in the particular period of time or not, that is evaluated by the organization. These are the way the company framing the marketing strategy. These are the steps is helpful to crafting or designing the marketing strategy. So what are the platform? Normally the digital marketer using some of the tactics in their organization, that is SEO and search advertising later that online advertising, affiliated marketing, video marketing, social media, email marketing. These are the tactics used for promoting their products in the online. These are the way the company offering goods and services through the online and try to attain the good profit in the online. Next, normally the digital marketing strategy applied in different type of companies. It's a manufacturing sector and service sector, everything. So suppose it is going to apply in the small scale grocery store now. At the time we are using some of the application framework. ASCAR, it is a famous application framework. ASCAR digital marketing application framework. A indicates the assessment phase. S, strategy phase. C, communication and channel mix phase. O, operation phase. And or refinement phase. Normally assessment phase analyze the business, otherwise analyze about that company, what are the brand produced by the company, who is the competitors of the company, and also analyze the website pattern of the competitors and study the consumption pattern of the particular product. Everything done based on that frame the strategies. Next, second one, strategy phase. In that, company strategy should be unique. At the time only that product value exchanges attract the customer. The online value proposition also important. So the organization should concentrate on that also. Define brand building elements. In this place, brand building elements means what are the way build the good brand image in the consumer mind through the marketing mix, etc. Otherwise, it's a concentrate on the logo, symbol, the quality of the product, everything itself. Next, channel communication mix. Develop brand story through blog or social. Create online e-commerce store. Use research and display channel for sales. These are the ideas used for communicating their product to the customers for the small scale grocery shop. Operation phase. Next one, how to implement in their business in the online platform. Run campaigns on e-commerce sites, blogs, and track and optimize keywords and images for brand impact. Solicit product feedback. These are the information, these are the factors using for analyzing the operating activity of the particular product. Finally, refinement phase. What is the output gain from that thing? Review of return on investment in multiple channels. Gather customer data for email connect. Use product feedback as testimonials. So these are the way the small scale grocery shop adapting the phases and enlarging their e-platform. Finally, the company, otherwise the store, want to know their result through the return on investment and also feedback of the customer. These are the things helpful to know where we are available in the online platform comparing to their competitors. The target is achieved or not, everything analyzed through the refinement phase. That's all. Thank you.